Hello family, welcome back to my channel. This gentleman early in the morning came out to the compound and used the charm showing a respect to the lost souls of the soldiers that have served their country. So this kind of trumpet that he's giving out here really shows how loving and remembering of the heroes that sacrificed their lives for their country, which is the United States of America. And it sounds very nice and cool. So listen to the tune.